Elevate your network management skills with EDU-220, Panorama, Managing Firewalls at Scale, an intermediate-level course designed for security professionals. In this course, you'll learn how to configure and manage the next-generation Panorama management servers, empowering you to oversee extensive networks efficiently. Gain proficiency in creating templates and device groups. Experience firsthand the robust administration, log collection, and reporting capabilities of Panorama. Delve into the essential planning and design considerations for deploying Panorama to ensure it meets your network's needs. By completing this course, you'll acquire a deep understanding of how to utilize Panorama to manage and secure a network of Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls. This course is perfectly suited for security administrators, operations specialists, analysts, engineers, and architects focused on maximizing network security and efficiency. Before diving into this course, participants should have completed the EDU-210 Firewall Essentials course and possess a solid foundation in next-generation firewall management and basic networking concepts. Data Cipher Education Services provides top-tier training authorized by Palo Alto Networks, equipping you with the knowledge to protect our digital way of life. Get certified and advance your ability to manage complex networks.